Hello guys, Brad here again with another fragrance review. Today from the house of Thomson and Carter. I will be talking about fragrance from their men's line fragrance discovery set. It's called Redroom. Came out in 2023 with notes of citruses, lavender, and musk. And a note from the brand, smells like fresh sheets. Early morning dew on grass, the promise of adventure. Let's start with the name, Redroom. I'm not really sure why it's called Redroom. Kind of has a creepy kind of a vibe to it. Almost like one of those old school dark rooms that I'm so familiar with that were popular about 20 years ago. You know, or just a creepy red room. I'm not really sure what that means. But there's nothing really red about this fragrance. There's no like cherry or blood notes or rose or anything that might conjure up the smell of red. This one, you're going to get just a clean laundry smell. The lavender is just like that laundry lavender smell, fresh dryer sheets, fresh laundry. Same with the musk, just like a clean laundry musk. And the citrus here kind of smells like oranges to me. So oranges, laundry. You know, I can just picture, you know, wake you up in the morning on a fresh laundered bed. I don't know, maybe somebody sprinkled some orange peels on the bed while you were sleeping. I don't know. But yeah, that's kind of the vibe here. Oranges, laundry. Nice, very designer-ish, basic. Not really something I think most advanced niche heads would get too excited about. It's middle of the pack as far as I'm concerned, as far as Thomson Carter fragrances go. Smoke and Mirrors, I think the Bois de Santal are their better ones. This one's great, but just very basic and designer-ish. Not really sure I would pay top dollar for this one. Final scores for me, though, let's say smell, 7.5 out of 10. Nice smell. Very fresh, but basic. Easy to wear. Very unisex as well. Projection longevity, 4 to 6 hours. 7.5 out of 10 there. Versatility, I see this mostly as a spring-summer scent, but indoors, certainly year-round. It's not too bright. That wouldn't work in the wintertime, but definitely would be better in the spring and summertime. Uniqueness, 6.5 out of 10. Nothing too special there. Price point, 100 ml for $99. Overall for me, 7 out of 10. Check it out if you're looking for just like a basic fresh laundry smell and you like the smell of oranges as well. Check it out. See what you think. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.